You've got to get permission to hold the banner up.
Well, I've just been asked to... McDonald's hold the banner up.
So we don't need a permission to just like this is, that's legal.
Yeah, no, I'm not saying it's not. I've just been asked to ask people protesting about. Is it
Anybody protesting?
What is your... What is the next to do with it? Are you here to just enjoy the sunshine or to enjoy the sunshine?
Yeah.
What is it about the freedom?
Or should we go and read it?
That's good. Okay, what's all this about then? What's it? Freedom of assembly.
Yeah.
What's it to do with?
It says, honk if you think we should be free to assemble. But we're a procession.
Well, okay, what I explained to you is like, coming out from my inspector, that under traditional organised crime police act, she first off gave permission from my superintendent
for a static demonstration.
Right.
Not for a procession.
Right, okay. If you don't get permission, okay, and you carry on demonstrating, when I ask you to stop, okay, and you don't stop, okay, you will be reported to this account.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Do you mind not filming me?
I don't mind not filming at all. Do I have to not film?
Act like civilised human beings.
Yeah, but that's,
filming, I think, is civilised.
Yeah, look, we're all being filmed anyway.
Grown ups, that's all I want to do.
Yeah.
Okay? Let's just have a chat.
Yeah.
Right?
Stop walking back.
No,
but if we were, George, then we would be involved in procession. Okay, because a lot of people, the cops that come down here say that they totally agree with what we're doing, but you've got a job to do, and etc., etc. But we thought that if you gave us a honk, we would fold up the banner. You give us a honk, we will fold up the banner. That's the deal. Give us a honk. Give us a honk. Go on, you can do. You know you want to do it. Just one, seriously, just one honk, and we will fold up the banner and carry on with our.
Yeah, deal with that.
Yeah.
You don't need to keep it building though, is it?
Well, it's
What's going to happen is, I understand the demonstration hasn't been authorised.
Yeah.
So my colleague is going to give us some notices to explain the options that we've got. We'll give you 10 minutes to honk.
One little honk.
We'll give you 10 minutes to honk. If you don't honk, then you're going to be reported for the offence of taking part in a demonstration. As you probably know, powers arrest.
Yeah. And everything is arrestable now.
Well,